The second property of charges is the quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Before we go to understand what is meant by quantization of charge, we should understand what do you mean by the quantization of a physical quantity. See, the quantization of a physical quantity means that it cannot vary continuously to have any arbitrary value, but it can have only a discrete set of values. It cannot have any arbitrary value, but it can have only a discrete set of values. For example, see, when you consider mass, the mass of a body can be 1 kg, 2 kg, 2.053 kg. So here this is not a continuous set. But when you say the number of floors in a building, see, if you are constructing a building, it can have 1 floor or 2 floor or 3 floor, 4 floor. While I was in Surat, there were buildings that are as high as 24 floors. Fine. So these values are increasing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they were having only a discrete set of values. When you say the number of floors in a building, it can be either 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, 4 floor and so on. You cannot say that my building has 1.5 floor or 3 1/4 floor. That is not possible. So that is what is called a quantization. Quantization means it will be having only a discrete set of values and not an arbitrary. They cannot vary continuously to have any arbitrary value, but they will be having only a discrete set of values. Now, the minimum amount by which a physical quantity can change, the minimum amount by which a physical quantity can change is called a quantum. Fine. See, when you say the charge on an electron is taken to be minus E, the charge on a proton is taken to be plus E, the charge on an alpha particle is plus 2E. See, these charges on these particles can be only plus 1E, minus 2E, plus 4E, minus 5E, plus 7E, minus 10E. See, only in this way they can be valid because this is quantized. It follows the quantization of charge. You cannot say that any body is having minus 2.5 charge, minus 2.5E or plus 0.5E. That is not possible. See, because it follows a quantization of charge. So the minimum amount by which a physical quantity can change is known as a quantum. Now, what do you mean by the quantization of charge? This is the second property of charges. So experimentally it has been verified that the charges can occur only in discrete amounts. They cannot be having they cannot have any arbitrary values, but they are varying by discrete amounts. And this experimental fact that the charges can occur only in discrete amounts is called quantization of charge. Hope you are all getting it. Or in other words, see, the total charge on a body, you are taking any body, the total charge on the body will be always an integral multiple of a basic quantum of charge. What is quantum? The minimum amount by which a physical quantity can vary. So here, the total charge on a body is always an integral multiple of a basic quantum of charge, which is given by Q is equal to NE, where the value of N can be 0. If it is neutral, it will have no charge. It can be plus or minus 1 because the charge on a proton is minus E, that is 1E, and the charge on a plus 1E, and the charge on an electron is minus 1E. Or as I told, the charge on an alpha particle is plus 2E. So it will follow that Q is equal to NE. So this is, so the charge will be varying only, the charges on any body can always be an integral multiple of a basic quantum of charge, which is Q is equal to NE, where the value of N can be 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. So this is the second property of charge, which is known as the quantization of charge.